Hi friends, today I'm going to be taking you on a tour to Baswangudi where it's known for its temple, the Bull Temple. So I'm going to take you around the Bull Temple for a tour, for a food tour. And this is going to be for the breakfast. I'm going to show you all the breakfast items that you can get. It's very nice and yummy. So the first stop that we had been just behind the Bull Temple. This is located at Natkalapa Circle. We had gone to Sri Guru Koteshwara Davangere Benne Masala Dosa Center. This place is pretty much packed all the time because they sell this wonderful butter dosas and it is fluffy, very cheap. The rate starts from 30 rupees and it goes on. So they sell a variety of North Karnataka dishes and it is very nice. They use only butter here. So for all their dosas, they've been using only butter and refined oil. The dosas itself, it is very nice and fluffy, but the way they serve these dosas are a little bit confusing. We had asked for banne masala dosa and open dosa, and we also tried their open kali dosa. So it was a bit confusing when they served it because I am used to having masala dosas with spicy filling, and I am also used to having dosas which has got a good amount of ghee, but never with the butter. So that butter and potato, it tend to have a slightly waxy feeling, like slight waxy taste, aftertaste. So that was a bit confusing for me, but other than that, there is no complaints at all. I really like the dosas they have been serving. But this place specifically, it's not for children because you cannot make the children sit in the road and eat food, and you have to balance everything in your hands. So this is a hole in a wall sort of a place where only adults or college students can go and have their dosas. But if you have little older kids, like above 8 or above 9 or 10, who can stand with you all the time and who can share the food and can balance the food with their hand and eat it and eat their food, you can take them. But otherwise I felt it is not a very child friendly place. And plus there is traffic. You have to, if you can, if you don't mind the traffic, there's a very high traffic zone. So if you don't mind the traffic, you can definitely go here and taste their dosas. My dad in particular, he liked the pudi dosa, which is the kali or the kali open dosa, which has got spicy powder on top. They serve it with the spicy potato and a spicy chutney. So my dad liked this dosa, and we like the khali open dosa also, which comes in three pieces, and they serve with uh, a not too spicy potato, just a bland potato and some spicy chutney. So the butter dosa and the khali open dosa was something like it literally melted in your mouth. But the aftertaste is a slightly waxy taste, so that you have to see. And if you like butter, you definitely can go in for this place. So this is something, it's your preference, like you, if you want to have a lot of butter in your dosa, please go to this place. But I personally, I like the open dosa, which has got the pudi on top and with excess butter, and they serve it with a um chutney which is not too watery. It is very nice, and it's a coarse chutney, but it is not got too much of water in it. So I like that chutney. And apart from that, they also sell this guliyappas or kuri paniyaram. This kuri paniyaram, again, it's made out of dosa batter, and it is a spiced dosa batter. So they prepare that too. That kuri paniyaram is very nice and spongy, and it is got a nice porous texture inside. So this is something I'll really recommend. You have to try it here if you go here. And they prepare all this kuri paniyaram with ghee, so it is all pure ghee. And this place is, I don't know how much of ghee and butter they use in a day, but I see people just flocking and thronging throughout the day. And it starts from 9 o'clock, it goes on till late in the night. So they serve wonderful kuri paniyarams here. Definitely try the kuri paniyaram, and the tea and coffee also seems to be okay. It is very nice and very decent sort of a serving. So the portion size is very good. They have been serving in nice portions, so that the rate and the portion size is somewhat very nice. It's pocket friendly place. So I definitely would recommend at least a try. At least once you have to go and try here. So I couldn't take how we're eating that curry paniram. I just posted a photo here. The rates are pretty good. You can see I've just posted the entire menu rate. It starts from 30 rupees, and some dishes are also 20 rupees. So you can try all their dishes, North Karnataka dishes. So right next to this Dosa center, we went to SLN Bhaji center. This Bhaji center also starts by 10 o'clock. So yeah, I was in for a shock. Like, the bhajis that we taste, it's only in the evening. But this person starts at 10 o'clock in the morning itself, and he does lovely pakoras. And apart from that, he's got very hot and spicy samosas. He sells kachoris. He sells these Madur vadas. So all these vadas, bhajis, early in the morning with tea, hot cup of tea is something I really look forward to. I really like such food. So if you're a person who loves such things, definitely visit SLN Bhaji Center. They are there from 10 o'clock and they close late in the night. So it's a wonderful place, and this person was very accommodative. He told us what all he was preparing throughout the day, and throughout the day he prepares variety of dishes. This is Madur vada. This is a traditional Karnataka style vada, and apart from that, he's got samosas, he's got kachoris. These kachoris were dal filled kachoris. I really like the dal filled kachoris. He prepares that kachoris when we ask him. So he fills it with green chutney, meaty chutney, and then he adds some onion, chopped onion, coriander, then grated carrots, and that's how he serves it. I'll be showing it to you how he prepares it. Even the samosas also, he breaks it up. He adds little bit of meaty chutney, hari chutney, and chopped onion, coriander, and he serves it. Apart from that, they have also been serving bene murku. Bene murku is something very famous in Bangalore. If you are in Bangalore, you should try bene murku. These are rice cracker sticks, which is completely gluten free, and I wouldn't call it vegan friendly. It has butter in it, but it is gluten free. It's a wonderful, yummy dish. So you can try this over here. So you can see how he's preparing the kachori with carrot and onion. So that's how he served it to us. So we really liked it. We tried one of each. We tried the kachori and we tried the samosa, one of each. So it was just me and dad who had been there. And I'm planning to do part 2 of this also. I'll be going back to Baswangudi just to try the breakfast items. The next stop was Upahar Darshini. Upahar UD Darshini you cannot miss in this area. You definitely have to go to Upahar Darshini. Over here they have been selling this traditional idlis or the kadubu idlis, but they sell it only during the evening. I had specifically been to this place for kadubu idlis, but I ended up getting puris. So why I got the puris, I want to show you how the puris are served in South India. In South India, puris are served with coconut chutney and a coconut based curry. So it is called as sagu. It's a mixed vegetable sagu that they serve the puri in. So I've seen a lot of food shows that show puri but with aloo. And even in Tamil Nadu, they serve with aloo, a dry based aloo. But here in Karnataka, they serve it with sagu. And right next to Pahar Darshini, there is this place called Holige Mane. So I had been next to, after we finished the Puri, we hopped on over next shop was Holige Mane, and this is our last stop of this trip. And in this Holige Mane, this person has been featured many times on the local television, which is Z Kannada, and he's been coming on Z Kannada and he's been showing his holiges. Holiges are a traditional Puran Poli, which is very famous in Karnataka. So any part of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu you go, or even Andhra, some places, they serve this early in the morning. So you can go to this place and have your Puran Poli by 10 o'clock in the morning, and they serve it very hot with a dollop of ghee. These people prepare this dough using maida and suji, the regular suji that we use for upma. So they've been using 70% of suji and 20% of maida is what he told me that they've been using. And the fillings are normally dal, coconut, peanut, and they also have pineapple. They have a khara holige, which is a spicy holige. They serve it with spicy capsicum curry. I'll be posting that later. I want to do a review only on them, so I'm planning to go and visit them back and do only a review on them. So I'll be doing that shortly. But this is something that we really enjoyed, me and daddy, we really enjoyed this. We ordered for dal holige, and we also ordered for kova holige, which is kova poli. I really liked it. They served it with excess ghee, and my dad especially, he really loved this dal holge. He was all over it, like he really liked it. But we were too full at this point, we could not go any further. And we want to go back again and do this part 2 of this baswan gudi only breakfast trail. So now I'm just posting this part 1. I'll also show you the devasthanam or the temple in my next visit. I'll show you the temple in detail. Now here this kova poli and the dal poli was really good. I tasted both. The outer skin itself is too soft and the filling is too good. It's not too sweet. It literally melts in your mouth. And apart from Holige, they also have a huge condiment shop where you can buy this chakli, you can buy this murku, or you can buy this um, chickies. You can buy sesame chickies, you can buy peanut chickies. So all these are traditional South Indian dishes that you can gift or you can take back home. And they also sell pickles, and they sell puddies. So a variety of things that they've been selling. What really caught my eye was this freshly made handmade rice sevige, or the rice noodle. This is very nice and very fresh. I've been preparing two recipes. I'll be posting the recipes. I got both the shaviges from here. It's a home industry that they have been running, and you get this fresh rice noodles over here. So you can store this in the fridge, and while just before preparing, you can sprinkle little water, steam cook it, and use it as per your requirement. So I'll be posting two recipes using the shavige. And apart from that, we also got chakli and murku for home. I got back some souvenirs for my mom. So I got this bene murku. This bene murku is having butter in it, but it is gluten free. It is made of only rice and dal. And I also got this kodbele. We liked pretty much everything. Do visit my blog, friends. I'll be posting a detailed review on my blog along with all the pricing and all the dishes that we tasted. Also, visit me and follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll post all the links in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this review, or if you enjoyed watching this tour video with us, do give us a thumbs up and post your comments. I'll be posting more such videos for you if you enjoy watching such videos. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Bye bye.